The Denham Town Police say visitation is expected to resume Sunday after a clash between detainees and officers caused a lockdown on Ash Wednesday. The visitors who staged a second day of protest Thursday claimed that the detainees are being abused and denied food and basic amenities. Jamaica Maitland reports.
From last night, me hear my son gone to hospital. I don't even know if my son come back. Him lawyer come down here and them now let in the lawyer to see what's wrong with him. Them beat my son-in-law, broke him arm, broke him foot, and he must bleed. I have the video to send it. May I ask you, please, the Prime Minister, we need help down here in whatever town station.
Angry protesters outside the Denham Town Police Station on Thursday. The visitors, some of whom returned for the second consecutive day to see their relative behind bars, were turned away by the police. Acting head of the Denham Town Police Station, Superintendent Justin Woolcock says visitation was suspended on Wednesday because of a security issue. He says Thursday is not a scheduled visitation day.
We still provide 3 meals a day from our angle. We accept extra meals and the personal effects on Wednesdays and Sundays from the relatives.
13 people were injured during the altercation.
4 police officers were injured as well as 9 prisoners. All have since been treated at the Kingston Public Hospital and have been returned to lockups.
Superintendent Woolcock says visitation will resume on Sunday. The visitors allege that the detainees are being denied food and water. We asked the police about this.
We still provide 3 meals a day from our angle. We accept extra meals and the personal effects on Wednesdays and Sundays from the relatives.
Superintendent Woolcock says court scheduled appearances were also not impacted. Meanwhile, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, says it is aware of the incident. It says an investigation alleging assault in custody has started. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.